goddamn get it on, will ya? Woo. When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories, we running through.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your jack pads on your BMW E60. This also applies for the E90, E39s, E46s. It applies for all BMWs, it's all the same way. I do have 4 new jacking covers for my BMW E60 and 5 as they're all destroyed, and it's something I do not like, and I don't feel safe lifting a car with these all broken up and corroded. So I am going to be going ahead and replacing the jacking pads on my BMW E60 and 5. So let's go out to my car and I'm going to show you how to change them over. So I just want to show you guys here, this is the jacking pads that I'm going to be changing over. And as you see here, these are Febby ones. As you guys know, I don't use no crap for my BMs. I've been waiting for these a long time to come over. I've got 4 of them. They weren't cheap. They cost me around £60 to purchase all 4. But I am going to be replacing them because mine are literally had it and we need to put on some new ones. As you guys know, they're clipping. So I'm going to be showing you how to get them out. But there's a reason why you need to replace them. I'm going to show you why that is on my E60 and 5, because obviously I realised the other day that one of them wasn't good and I wasn't having that. So let's get to the car and I'm going to show you how to replace them. But these are the Febby ones. I'll try and link these in the description below so you guys can go and buy them if you need them. So if you can see right here guys, this is the jacking point cover that we're going to be taking out, and as you can see, this one is very loose, and this is the reason why I'm going to be changing it out for the new ones, because of that reason. So the way you're going to want to remove this is very simple. You're going to want to get a long or short flathead screwdriver. Then what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to press up in there to take it out. As you see there, it comes straight out. You just want to pull them out. And as you see, one of the clips are broken on this one. So this is why it's a must that you replace these, because of that reason, because this will not hold the car and I wouldn't feel comfortable jacking up the car with that like that. It's all completely demolished and destroyed and I just don't feel safe. So if you look at the old one to the new one, Febby, bearing in mind make the parts for BMW, this is the new one right here, which is all nice and fresh, and this is the old one right here, all chewed up and had it. So all you're going to want to do now is just clip this straight into place like that, and as you see, there's no wobble and it's fitted straight into the car. So then what you're going to want to do is move around to the other 3 sides and do them as well. So we're going to go and move over and do the other 3 sides at the same time to replace the jacking pads on all the other 3 sides so they don't look like that. So the same thing for this one guys, you want to get your screwdriver in there if you can. So you just want to release it like that, and as you'll see there, it's all opened up. Then you just want to get your new one, and you just want to slot that, same as the last one, straight in there, like that, and then it looks good as new. Okay guys, now for the final one, which is I believe the most terrible one on the car, is this one, right here. As you see, it breaks off very easily because it's badly worn, and as you see, it's completely destroyed. Look at that one, just look at the state of it. It's completely caved in. This is not something I feel comfortable even jacking the car up with, and this is the whole reason why I've replaced it, because of the state of that, and I wouldn't advise anyone jack up a car like that. We're now going to replace it for the shiny brand new one, which again is just a straight click in. As you see there, that one's all in. So now we've got all 4 sorted. The jacking covers look a lot better underneath the car now, so that's one more tidy up problem for this car solved. So if we go around now guys, you'll see the jacking point cover right there, and look how much better that looks all underneath the car already. That one looks so much better. We're going to move over to the other one. Just look how much better they all look. That's the other side, that's been fitted all perfectly clean and now ready to jack up if we ever have to lift the car up. And there as well, as you guys will see, another one fully jacked up, looking nice. And as you'll see there, that's the other one, all fully done. So now I feel comfortable jacking this car up knowing it's not going to collapse on me. So as you guys have seen, I've just shown you now how to change your jacking pads on your BMW E60. This does apply for the E90 also, and the same for E39 and E46. They all use the same jacking pads underneath the car. So if you do want to go and order them, I will find a link, so I'll link it below so you guys can go and purchase them. So you don't have to go looking for them and trying to find the right ones for your car. So hopefully it's going to have helped you guys. Thank you very much for watching this BMW Dr. Dean here. And as you've now seen there, my BMW E60 M5 looks a lot cleaner underneath. Thank you very much and goodbye.